Hi. Today we're going to tell you about helpful practices and tips in creating effective Google Ads. If you're one of those individuals having a hard time generating leads and attracting potential customers via online advertising, here's a list of tips and practices that you can use to enhance your digital marketing skills. Let's get started. Tweaking ads to be responsive. If you do not tweak your Google ad to be responsive, there's a high chance that it will not load or display if an online user happens to view it from a smartphone. That being so, it would be an excellent idea to invest more in creating responsive ads and websites to make sure that you can position yourself in front of consumers, regardless of the device they're using to browse the web. Stimulating emotional response. Based on a consumer neuroscience study, researchers claim that the effectiveness of advertisements can be measured through unconscious emotional responses from the audience. Additionally, evoking emotions through Google Ads can help you build a meaningful and lucrative relationship with consumers. Optimizing with negative keywords. First things first, negative keywords do not refer to inappropriate terms. In pay-per-click advertising, negative keywords involve focusing on words and phrases that matter to your target market. In a way, these keywords help prevent advertisements from displaying for particular searches that are unlikely to lead to conversions. It's challenging to create and craft a Google ad campaign. It takes a lot of money, time, and resources to build one. For this reason, online marketers usually focus on straightforward strategies that they deem proven and tested to make sure nothing goes wrong. But though the tips listed above are a bit different from the usual practices that marketers suggest, that doesn't mean they don't work. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.